I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, 'cause they knew you from the womb and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm jealous. I'm selfish. All mine. Of the seasons as they change, 'cause they seen you through the rain and you ride through all the waves. I'm jealous of your coworkers all day, 'cause they get to pick your brain. And I know this might sound strange, but don't mention none of your exes, erase that list, 'cause in my mind I gotta pretend that they just don't exist. Not my fault, you're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind fade. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm just jealous, jealous. I'm just selfish, selfish. All mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. No, don't let nothing take my place. I know it sounds crazy, babe, but I'm jealous. I'm selfish. Oh my, it's supposed to be all mine, mine. I'm just jealous, jealous. I'm just selfish, selfish. All mine.
Killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top, but we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. 'Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then. Giving your heart away is hoping love will never die. But life unfolds in the strangest ways, and sometimes you just can't keep love alive. But I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry. If you want to take the best of me, stop you if you try. Why not take the rest of me? Cause all that's left are just these crying eyes. And I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry. The winds of change someday might bring you back. See the remnants of the man that you once had. But if you look beyond the smile and the way, it's just a bunch of space I tried to use to fill your place. And I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry. I just cry, 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 cry. We had our ups and downs, baby. Sometimes we were tight, and sometimes oceans apart. Gotta learn just how to move on without you. Move on without you. We had our on and offs, baby. Sometimes we were tight, and sometimes everything but. Gotta learn just how to forget about you. Forget about you. When you call me up and sound so sweet, there's nothing to blame. But when you don't pick up, please own it. I see my mistake, I'm out of patience. Come out and say it. That Gotta learn just how to be fine without you. Be fine without you. When you call me up and sound so sweet, there's nothing to blame. When you don't pick up for days on end, I see my mistake. I'm out of patience. Come out and say it, that it's over now, so I can stop chasing. Had our ups and downs, baby. Sometimes we were tight, and sometimes oceans apart. Gotta learn just how to move on without you. Move on without you. Inseparable, we were closer than two of a kind. The bond was palpable, solemn oath with our blood that we signed. But time we're both led by life to
Musa. Izinto zentsha kodwa kuphake siwaphuza. Ake basikuda vele asibona basibhala udreshi nje bakhona. That's what was not even balance. Check it, didn't even start.
Check it, never start.
They won't play big things because it's the same.
Ujayi apha namhlanje kanti ubungasebenzi.
Ngena abaqhubayo into yayi-line kodwa kuthiwa the shutdown ama-payments going through.
Iphendelwa ni line pholo laxona shutdown. Abanethemba phela acele inkazo kuqala
nje compliance letter. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, bye, Mama. I've never been assisted like this. Thank you so much, man. Keep up the good work. I hope you assist others to assist me. I know the vibe. I'm GPS.
That's it.
Go for nothing.
Call center. Call.
My family has been in Joshua playing means didn't put you somebody and that's a car. I show how we can play up on the week. And how's it then? And the thing is, I get them and the doctor are next of next month. Yeah, but look in it. Did you know the doctor next of next month to Chinwan? I thought that. Did you know that you're going next off next month?
This is fresh was what will do that? This one.
probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting. Ooh, cowgirls don't cry. When you came over, my heart was on its way out. I wasn't sober, and I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity, of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. I started fighting, 'cause I was scared of it all. And isn't it glorious how love gets the best of us? Yeah, I got feelings, but I'm a tough one sometimes. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
Good day, guys. Welcome to another day. I'm not sure if this is the beginning of a new vlog or I'm gonna be finishing off the other vlog that I have. I had a lot of content for the past week or two, and I ended up thinking of posting the celebration for the ladies by itself, so it's still there because I'm gonna be posting it today. It's a Wednesday. I'll be posting it later today. So the space on my phone is finished already because I have a lot of the other content that I took after that one, but I just wanted that one to get out of the way to create space for this new vlog. Now I'm gonna look at the content that I already have for this vlog. If it's enough, it will end there when I was doing the pantry refill and restocking. If I see that there's still some space, then I'll just add this little portion on the vlog. Otherwise, it will be the beginning of the new vlog, guys. I don't know. I'll see. I'm done, guys, with painting my tables. I'm only left with sealing now the paint. But someone in this house decided to put a hot pot on my table, and now that pot left is big. A big spot where the paint is peeling off, and now I can assure you, I can call now and ask you who did that. None of the people in this house will take the accountability. So yeah, guys, I want now to quickly do the sealing of the tables, but then I'll be using the tables on the vlog when I'm cleaning the sitting area. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look guys, look at what I'm talking about. And they'll be saying, you're always complaining about us on the vlogs. In chat now, my paint is finished. I don't know when I'll be able to go to the shops, to the builder's warehouse to buy some more paint. And now, for me to fix this, I have to I need to send off all of this before I can repaint it, which creates even a lot more work for me. Hi Shem, if any one of you needs some kit, I can loan you from people in this house. The way Abamoshanga, you look. So yeah, guys, but I want to continue with sealing so long because I'm not sure yet when I'll be buying the paint to fix this. I'll be just using the tablecloth so long. Alright, okay, guys, let's get to it.
I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just wanna miss me too. Just wanna be It's really, really good for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be. But stuff that comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, 'cause it makes me feel lesser than. Striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her